I am that guy that will let you know exactly how much I charge, even before I explain to you what affiliate marketing is, because I don't want you to waste your time and at the end of the day, you tell me you don't have money to get started. Yes, I have wasted your time and you have also wasted mine, but that's the truth. So what I am charging you for is everything you need to have to be best at affiliate marketing, including your registration of a premium account on GrowDigital, one-on-one mentorship session where you see me just like I'm watching you here right now, and a community that also guides you, which is the Vault. Every single week we bring top affiliates on board to help explain things better to the new and fresh newbies on how they should go about affiliate marketing, the steps needed, the tools needed, the resources, the information. So if you want to learn exactly from me and be part of my winning community and be part of my students, I charge 600 cedis, no negotiations. And if you want to learn it at other places, you may get it even as low as 200 cedis. You decide which one you want and how you want to get started. Please, if you are ready, just slide to my DM. If you are not, kindly keep watching my students' results. That is the only thing I can tell you here. Because yes, there is nothing free, especially if it's having quality like my team and my community. Good luck. See you on the inside.